Want to check the real battery health of your iPhone? Here's how to see the actual battery capacity using a free shortcut. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Next, tap Battery Health and Charging. Here you'll see your iPhone's maximum capacity. However, this isn't the detailed battery information. Now go back to your home screen and open your preferred web browser. Search for iPhone Battery Shortcut. Open the first result, then scroll down and tap Battery Stats Shortcut. You'll be redirected to the Shortcuts app. Tap Add Shortcut to install it. Next, open the Settings app again. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and select Analytics and Improvements. Tap Analytics Data. Open the most recent analytics log from the list. Now, tap the Share button. Scroll down and select Battery Stats. Wait a few seconds while the shortcut analyzes the data. Once it's finished, you'll see your iPhone's detailed battery information, including the original battery health and charging statistics. And that's it. That's how you can check the real battery health of your iPhone.